Another tip that you need to know about your trackpad on a Chromebook is this. I've got several things open at the moment and I want to be able to switch between them. So using 3 fingers and swiping up to the top of the trackpad, so just doing this, we can see here all the other options that I've got open. And what we can do now to browse between them is we can use our 3-finger swipe to the right to progress through them, or backwards and forwards with 3 fingers again to the left. So I can choose the one I want. Let's say I wanted to switch to the Play Store, click on that, and why did that not happen? There we go, that's better. And again, to get back again, so let's switch here on 3 and up, so swipe up, and I'm going to use, I clicked on that, but I want to do this. I want to swipe to here, go across to my files and click on that, and now I've switched to that particular folder here for my documents. So swipe up and swipe to the left, in this case is the layout, but also over here you can see we've got an opportunity to create a new desktop. So let's do that. Let's give it a name, desktop 2, enter, and now let's click on here to access the new desktop, which is not as cluttered as my current one. I can use 4 fingers and swipe to the right like this. There's my new desktop. I can carry on working on new open programs. To get back to my previously open programs on the other desktop, I swipe to the left. And so these kind of tools and tricks will help you, if you master them, help you be more productive and work faster and more efficiently with your Chromebook.